key factor is ensuring that you have the right installation or replacement date, because it will be used as part of the analysis. You'll see here all the plant information, currency and units, and the lifetime thresholds. Those thresholds are important because this is the data that will be used in the evaluation. For example, at the maximum feed pressure of 40 bar, which is standard for a brackish water element, the maximum permeate quality, in this example, we're using 500 microsiemens, but it could be any value that you need for your installation, from 10 microsiemens to 1,000 microsiemens, depending on the case. Standard warranty is generally 3 years. The startup pressure drop will be when the membranes are clean. The design permeate flow, which is the desired flow that we require in the system. Standard membrane age used in the calculation. Maximum pressure drop that we can handle in a system. And the minimum acceptable permeate flow that you wish to have in your system. Once everything is ready, you can click on Next. And to get the prediction, you need to enter the number of years that you wish to have our operation advisors run the forecast. In this case, we'll enter 10 years and click on Run Lifetime Analysis.